Hello everyone! Today we're going to be learning how to replace ear pads on the Surface Headphones 1 and 2. You're going to want to do this when they end up getting destroyed. This can happen over time with the oils and stuff. It just ends up falling apart and you're going to want to replace them. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to Microsoft's website where you can go and get replacement ear pads sent to you via warranty. The replacement ear pads are not on the Microsoft store to buy normally. You would have to go and submit a warranty request to get new ear pads. If you currently have an active warranty, these ear pads should be free. But if you're not, you can just pay a small fee and they'll get sent out to you. So first, to begin, you hold the Surface headphones in front of you with the left side on the left, right side on the right. You're going to grab the actual headset with your left hand, take your right hand to hold the left ear pad, and then you twist counterclockwise. Then you'll see that the ear pads come off, and then you can replace it with the corresponding left ear pad. So you'll see down on the ear pad, it has left or right, and now this symbol here also matches the left symbol here. So you match those left symbols so they're next to each other. You place the ear pad together until it presses in, and then once it slides in, you twist it clockwise until you hear a click. Like that. And then now it is replaced. Now repeat this with the right one. You twist the right one counterclockwise, comes off. You align the R with the R inside the headset and push it together until the headphones and the ear pads are together, and you twist clockwise now until you hear a snap. And then you now have replaced the ear pads and your Surface headphones are brand new. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below to help others find this video. And if you would like to see more gaming, programming, technology, and style content, hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell to get alerted when I release a video. I release videos Monday through Wednesday, and I live stream Tuesday and Friday. I hope you all have a nice day.